Hi, I'm Dr. Jeannie Moody. I'm an orthodontist practicing in Austin, Texas. Today I'm here to tell you guys a little bit about ODL. We've been using them for about 3 or 4 years, and I think more people need to get on board and hear about them. Today, Otis is going to get his expander out. Are you excited? Yeah. Pumped? Awesome. So really, it's nothing to be nervous about. I've got a lot of friends that tell me they can't get them out, they have a hard time. It shouldn't be that way. My assistants take these out every day, all day. So we're gonna show you how to do that close up and in person right now. I think a lot of us orthodontists are thinking about banded appliances. The older school, flexible bands that you needed to get under the edge and really slide them up and actually expand them over the body of the molar. That's not how these appliances come out. These appliances are rigid, laser sintered, so they're not flexible. You're also not trying to get under the margin and slide them up. You're trying to get under the cleat. ODL does a great job of making that cleat sort of like a shark fin so that your remover can sit right under the edge of that. Instead of thinking about trying to bring the appliance straight up, you want to think about just torquing it and breaking the seal. So I always tell the patients you're going to hear a little click and then we grab it and torque it. And what that does is causes the glue to be released because you're really just flexing the metal. Once you get that down, it's super simple and it comes out very easy.
All righty, you ready? All right, sweetie, I'm gonna have you open real big. So a little pop noise, you're doing awesome. Awesome, awesome, here it comes, you ready? Bye-bye.
Now I have used other labs in the past and I have used laser centered appliances. But what I found is that the shipping times got longer and longer, or the fit wasn't correct, or they were big and bulky and they would open the bite tremendously with how much metal was on there. So with ODL, the precision and the thin adaptation of the metal is really impeccable, and I feel that they've got great training and great quality control in their lab. The customer service has been amazing. We're able to talk to them, we're able to give them feedback, and it's in real time. If something's not right, they make it right immediately. All of our appliances are now made by ODL, and they're all done with a laser sintering process. I love ODL, I love their appliances. It's been a game changer for my practice, and I think it'll be a game changer for yours too.